Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Travel Luxury with Ruchika. So finally I have reached Hong Kong, and as soon as I reached, there was a transfer limo waiting for me to get to this hotel. This hotel is very close to the airport and the name of the hotel is Marriott Sky City. So the hotel has the provision of the shuttle for all the people who are coming to the hotel, but because I am the Ambassador Elite member, so I have got the benefit of this limo, which really made me surprised and happy. And I have got the opportunity to stay in this presidential suite today. And the number of my suite is 1551. So let's get inside. As I told you that this hotel is close to the airport. So from here also, from the room also, you can have a beautiful view of the airport. So first of all, we have entered the living room. And as soon as I entered the living room, these chandeliers drew my attention. I was surprised and my eyes glittered when I saw these beautiful chandeliers, which are making the room look even more bright. So these beautiful center tables, whether it is a sofa set or the side table or these music systems, everything is so wonderful, making the living room so complete. So with this here, we also have the dining space, where we can have our lunch or dinner. The hotel has put some amenities, fruits for me, and this premium whiskey, Singleton, which I will enjoy. And this beautiful mirror is waiting for me. With this, we have the kitchen here. Which has all the latest amenities, whether it be the microwave, or the kettle, or the coffee making machine, or the refrigerator. Everything. Refrigerator also has the mineral water for me. And here's the butler entry, from where the butler can get inside my suite and prepare the tea or coffee for me. So with this, I would like to show you the view of the airport. In the daytime, you will be able to see it even better, but at night also, the airport is absolutely shining. We can also see the flights taking off and landing from here only. From here also, you can have the same view. Once again, I would like to draw your attention towards this chandelier, which is not to be missed. So after the living room, here is the workstation, which is good enough for two people to sit and complete the work. And we can also enjoy the tea or coffee sitting here and enjoying the television. Do you like this place? I like it very much. Now with this, we have already reached my bedroom, which is huge in size and beautiful. Look at this sofa set and this center table, which I like the most. From here also you can have the view of the airport. This is a beautiful mirror here, and again the mirror on the top. This side sofa and the side table lamp, isn't it beautiful? And the bed is so comfy and inviting. And the painting behind is even more interesting. And the television in front is really making this bedroom worth enjoying. So from here also we can have the view of the airport. So you can also enjoy your flight landing from here only.
Welcome to Marriott Bonvoy.
Look at this side table,
Here you'll find
which is so interesting to look at. This is the washroom. Here is the shower cabin and the bathtub inside. Here is the WC and the wash basin. All the amenities are here, and here also they have placed the mineral water. And all the premium amenities are placed in the washroom. And in the bedroom only, we have the other section, which is the walk-in closet, where we have stacked our luggage and the full-size mirrors to get dressed. Here we also have the cupboards, which are really big and deep in size. We also have a safe where we can keep our essentials absolutely secure. Like all these are cupboards only, so there is enough storage area. We also have the dining table and everything inside. Here we also have a powder room, which is absolutely in black and white, which is really beautiful and attractive for the guests who are coming to see me. Here is the WC. Look at the painting, it's so amazing. Now it is the time for you to tell me whether you like the suite or not. Did you like it? I liked it a lot. As soon as I entered, I was just surprised to see the beautiful suite, especially the chandeliers. And what do you think? How much should be the tariff? The tariff is really not too high. It is really like manageable. It is just 2 lakh rupees per night. Is it really manageable? Or you want it to be even lesser? If you want it to be lesser, learn how I am getting the things in less. I have not paid 2 lakh rupees per night. I have just paid 25k per night. I have already shared with you the tricks and the tips how to get the benefits. I am the Ambassador Elite member, so I get the benefit of the status, and I have got it in just 25k. So this place is closer to the Disneyland as well. So that is the reason people like this hotel very much, because it is in the close to the airport and Disneyland both. So this was the reason I also chose this, and definitely Marriott is my choice. So you have to share this video with your friends and talk to them, plan with them, come to the place, enjoy the city scene and everything. Thank you. Bye bye.